Namaste. Namaste. Yeah, it's a surprise program for me. Anyway. I was told the assembly theme is examination. Right. So kind that, my friend, common friend, with your director, Nixon, referred me here. I was passing through your place. I thought I will come and meet you and talk to you and then find how the school is. So it's so kind of Sureshji and Sharmaji was taking care of me going around, and I could address teachers, and one or two of them responded to my request for communication. You have sent some messages. Thank you to all of you. I have to give you some message on examination. Yes? Yeah, you cannot access blog. I have got a blog which says 30 points to students, 20 points to parents and teachers. How examination can be made simple. But you cannot access blog. So the examination happens in which place? Two places it happens normally. Anybody? That is one place. Next place. No? That is over. Examination in the exam hall. In schools it happens. In some other institution also it happens. Which is that institute? Yesterday we were there. Sharmaji took us to that place. And Assam Medical College is there, right? You go to a doctor, what do? Blood examination, urine examination. So test happens, examination happens in two places. One is school, second one, hospitals. Correct? Who conducts exam? In the school, teachers conduct exam. In hospital, who conducts exam? Doctors conduct exams. Right? And you will get a parameter. Different. Glucose is this much, sugar is this much, pressure is this much. Different parameter will come. Do you think that the doctor will scold the patient if somebody parameters are very bad? When you go with a fever and somebody identifies you have fever, do you think your parents and doctors scold you for having fever? Or they take care of you? They take care of you, give extra care, do all the treatment. Then what do? Again test. Again test and see no disease for you, then discharge from the hospital. Correct? But in schools what happens normally? If your maths parameter is low, English parameter is low, your performance in exam is not low, not very good, what teachers do? They scold. Parents, what do? They scold. Will they give extra care and then conduct again examination, give you medicines? That means extra care has to be given, taken care of. What happens? You are in nursery class, LKG, UKG, you had a lot of problems. You are not 100% perfect. So what did your teachers and school do? Promote with all the problems. So when you go to the highest class, what will happen? All the problems will be too much and then you will fail totally. So what is to be done? Assume I am not good. I have got some problem. I will go to doctor and ask them, test my blood. Test my pressure. That's why we are going there. So all students who are not feeling very good with maths, physics, chemistry, what they should do? Go to the teachers and say, test me please. Do you like examination? No. All of you should enjoy exam. Enjoy exam. Examination is not a teacher's, school's requirement. Examination should be your requirement. I want to get tested. Let me check how I am in maths. Let me check how I am in English. And somebody should certify you are 100%. There is no less marks and you pass. Understood? Getting 100 out of 100 in all examinations is your responsibility. You must see that if you are less marks, you again go and ask. I have studied now, I finished, there was some problem, but now I am going to do well, give me another examination. That should be the attitude. I'll give you one small example. We had a great guru who is Bhagavad Gita's guru in India, Chinmaya Swami. What's his name? The India's best school is Chinmaya School in Coimbatore. Beautiful. Everybody is brilliant. And his brother is a friend of mine. He's a professor in UK. So he was explaining how examination happens in other country. You can go and tell, I told you have to go and tell your teacher, I want examination. So some student comes and asks the teacher, me, that I want exam. Then I will ask you, don't write exam, I will give you 50% mark, go. Will you be happy? What is student's requirement? How much you should get? 100%. So the student says, no, I will write exam, but I will get 100%. So I am saying, I will give you questions which are very tough. You cannot get 100%. Do you want to take 50% and go? Or conduct exam and see that you fail? And again the student says, I will take exam. Why I don't want you to take exam? You have to take exam means I have to prepare question paper. So I have not done my job. So I have not prepared my question paper, so I am asking go without examination. So the student says I want exam. So the teacher says, okay, you come tomorrow, I will give you exam. So what you will do from today to tomorrow? I will give tough exam. So what you will do today? You will study well, right? So today also you studied well, you come back tomorrow and then you are asking me, I want exam. Then I am saying, yeah, I am not ready to give exam for you. I will give you 70%, go. First day was 50%, now I am ready to give you 70%. You want to take 70% and go? Don't write exam. Don't write exam. No? I will give you 70%, all of you 70%. Who will say, I want exam again? Who studied more than 70%? You are sure I want, right? Okay, then again it repeats. I am not ready. You come after 2 days. So what you will do 2 days? Study. Again study. And after 2 days again the student comes to the teacher and asks, I want exam. And the teacher says, I will give you 80%. Go. Don't write exam. What you will say? So you want exam? For how much to get? 100. And the professor says, no, go. I am not ready. You come after 2 days. So next 2 days what you will do? Again study. I am going to give the toughest exam. Are you ready? Or you want to go with 80%? No 80%. You want 100%? Sure. Even if I give the toughest exam, will you get 100%? Or you want 90% and go? I will not give you exam. 90% free. Go. Why are you troubling me? I have to make question paper. I have to make assessment. I have to evaluate. All that is difficult. I have to give rank. Don't trouble me. I will give you 90%. Go. Ready? Yeah, student says, I want exam. Okay, come after 2 days. Now what? Are you ready? Okay, the professor says, don't write exam. Take 100% and go. So what is the purpose of examination? What is teacher's job? Not to examine you to fail. The teacher's job is don't give exam, but you get 100% knowledge. Okay? So take care, examination is not to test you what you don't know or what you know. Examination is to give you the interest in learning. You must know everything. That is the purpose. Okay, with this note, I'll say tata bye bye to you. Thank you so much. Do well. All the best. God bless you. Pranams. Namaskaram to all of you. Thank you all the teachers. Thank you my friend Suresh and Sharma ji for this opportunity. All the best. Thank you so much.